a tutorial on how to list products from Amazon to Mercari and Poshmark, and using user review images on the Amazon listings in order to use them as the primary picture on the Mercari or Poshmark listing that you create. The reason we do that is because Mercari, in particular, does not want all stock photos on the listings. They want at least one user image. So what's beautiful is what we can do is just use a review image posted on the Amazon listing, grab it from there, and use that as the actual in-life, non-stock photo. So I've showed you this in the past. I'm just going to go through it very quickly. Just in the Terra Peak Sourcing Insights, this is just like a general guide of things to sell, all these things with great opportunities. So let's go. Here's a great opportunity, squash and syrups in non-alcoholic drinks. So let's go over to Amazon. We'll type in non-alcoholic syrup. Yeah. Now what you are going to have to find are listings that have a lot of reviews. So for instance, I also want you to only list things that have at least 50 plus bought in the past month. So you'll see these are all the top products because they're the top products of the search. 100 sold the past month, 400 sold, 200 sold. So let's try this one, this blue Curacao. Can you sell food white in color? You might not be able to sell food in here. I'm not sure. All right, suppose for the sake of argument, let's say it's not. You can't sell food. So let's go back. Pick something else here. Great opportunities. Vintage computing. Party gags and tricks. Let's do that. Party gags. And how about this one? Paint buckets and painting supplies. So let's go back to Amazon. Paint buckets. Again, we're going to look for things that have at least 50 sold. So like 1,000 products sold, 1,500 reviews. Let's look at this one. So, how does he do that one, right? Yeah, good. Good. So what we do is we come down here first, the bottom of the listing, to the reviews. Yeah, perfect, good. And these are the actual photos of the product. So this one would be good right here. I think if you click it, all right, you go to the view image gallery. Yes, good, good. Now check this out. You can hit a check mark. Check that. So you'll keep that checked. And then let's go up to here. And then we'll just hit copy to Mercari. See what happens. It should insert that review image first as the first photo. Let's see. We're going to have to go paste to Mercari. Well, okay, it didn't make it first, it put it last though. There might even be an option in ZDrop to make it first. Let's see. Here, go to settings. Go to review images first. Yeah, boom. And then you save. So then you just make the listing like normal. You delete the brand, and you just go like normal. Add some hashtags, put it in the right category. This is a new product. You can ship on your own. You put the product price in there according to the pricing matrix. Turn that off, of course, and hit list. So that's it. It's very convenient with ZDrop. You can just add a review image, and with that setting I clicked, you won't have to rearrange the photos. It always puts the review image first. That completes this tutorial.